I want to talk about Congress MP Rahul Gandhi says lockdown was unnecessary. The testing method should have been changed instead. What is the logic, if any, behind the statement? He messaged to center saying lockdown doesn't defeat coronavirus. According to him, in no way does a lockdown defeat the virus. It helps only to stop the virus for a short while. A nationwide lockdown will only pause the deadly coronavirus but not defeat it. Recommending that the government go for testing aggressively and strategically. He also suggested that there should be two zones in India, hotspot and non-hotspot. The only way to do this is to increase testing. We are chasing the virus. We need to go beyond. And this is my advice to the government. He says all this. I may and do disagree with PM Modi on various matters, but now is not the time to fight, and this was not the time for a political blame game. Today, I want to give constructive advice. I don't want to get into any tu may. The day India defeats COVID 19, but today, all I want to do is contribute positively. I will not indulge in personal and political battles. I will tell you, according to him, lockdown is unnecessary. Let me tell you, without a lockdown, we would have 100 times the numbers we are dealing with right now. According to me, his policy is just that if you can't appreciate, then criticize. What has he done for the nation till now, first of all? Before criticizing, Congress has not made any donation, even a single rupee so far, for the PM Cares Fund. We all know lockdown is only a step to beating the problem and not the medicine. In fact, we know of nothing that will defeat this virus at the moment. So, his statement is irrelevant as usual. He wants a massive testing. So, do we? But we do not have the means for it. Several decades of Congress rule has ensured we are too poor to do anything like that. Rahul has not found anything new. The whole world knows the incubation time needed in 14 days with no vaccine or drugs was found to this deadly disease. Thus, breaking the spread is only one solution by isolating and social distancing. Even the nations where good and efficient health system could not manage the issue since they have not enforced social distancing and total lockdown. Our health infrastructure for which his party and family have to share a blame. We cannot cope up if the virus assumes epidemic stage. That is why government enforced total lockdown. Increase the number of the test labs, modify the testing procedures, geared up PPE and ventilator productions. Why Rahul want to push up testing? Even though government has done everything possible to increase the test. So for more than 3 lakhs tests were done, out of which 12,000 results were positive. Much lower and comparable with other nations. Recovery rate is picking up and mortality is much lesser than other nations. He knows well our limitations and every other nations have the same problems of availability of test kits. We are better placed than every developed nations who look for us to lead the fight against this virus. He repeatedly telling he warned the government of serious consequences that has never come true. He kept repeating himself in a vague terms and kept saying the government should do what it is already doing. PM Modi government is doing every possible help for the poor and more will be done. This is not ended. Blaming is so easy rather than doing. Today is a time for all of us to come together and fight the common enemy, the virus. If you have a life, you have the world. So, stay in, stay safe. Thank you.